Oh, I should.
Cut it?
Yeah, I'm gonna rewire the whole pole.
Yeah, I'm not trying to do that.
Ta-da! I'm not colorblind.
Would it?
Cut it.
Taking jabs, sheening.
Cut it.
No.
Fan, all lights. I still need my damn radio now. I got the cassette tape. I got prints.
Did you say you got prints?
Purple Rain, hell yeah.
Purple rain. Purple rain.
Yeah, just cut it.
See you later, Christian. Yeah.
That's leaving.
We good?
Yeah.
On my side, we are. Oh, how you looking?
Looking great, let it down.
Okay. Boom, perfect. Here we go. Let it take.
Let me take this jack back outside.
Yes. Oh no. Leave it in here, because we might need it to push the trans up when it goes in.
The multi-transition, you got coming up. All right, hold.
All right, keep going.
You want to go down? A little bit.
Keep going. Keep going. Go up there. See it. On forward. All right, go down. Pick up on it.
Well, that's what I asked for the jack cord.
Here.
Mother, it's my head. Let it down.
Kind of like how you did your parents. There you go, Alan.
Found this on home.
That is gorgeous.
Never thought I'd see that shit.
Man, that fits nice.
Beautiful.
To the hip.
You got more room back here than you do like in trucks. To get like the oil pressure sensor.
To us?
Yeah.
A lot smoother than I thought it would.
Y'all thought it was gonna be hard?
Not hard, just I thought we would have to do more finagling.
I thought those bolts and everything transmission wise was gonna be the easy part. And that was worse than doing this.
Alright.
Throw that out there and close the door.
Go with that.
A little bit.
It'd help if it was going the right way.
Typically.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
All right. It's on here.
There you go.
Want
Christian and Alan just got finished putting some redneck Loctite on the motor mount bolts. Cross thread's a strong thread, right? We got to figure out the situation with the fuel lines. We're going to cut these lines and put some braided hoses up to the regulator and the fuel rails. But the motor is in the 240. Once we get that figured out with the fuel rails, fuel lines, blip, 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 blip. We're going to put the headers on and we'll be ready to start wiring this bad boy. Alan, so how do you feel now that the motor's in the car?
Happy.
My poor buddy don't like to be on camera.
My baby.